Mr. Lynch lives on be live forever. Good morning, Mr. Massimo Simple. Mr. Massimo Simple. Or simply, 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 no. It's not Lynch, it's me. And it's already only 13, 12 days when it was made 6, 2026, and it's Tuesday, I don't know if I can say totally clear, but in general, normal clear this catastrophe in general, and it also seems very still now. It's early, perhaps with the one, the light one, and the video. In general, it's early after 13 and 18. It's 685 20 it's really soft cuts off sketches for spring supports for SEO as you can see fact shantas furious June 17 or June 20 last year working on freelance whatever so let's pass some let's pass winter also spring work on them and to be precise and better now down so the round of all the seasons complete better the seasons work on freelance so the person if regarding the spring complete will finish a month practically and yes se sono entra in it and March 20 was studying in previous in Italy particularly at 10 anyway perhaps non I remember from Corboro sono which means positive I'm sure that twice in the missing was the same sense of purpose che tipo uscito Windows aspettano per fare questo for me e non si intervento for the some di 820 sta come some di accessori for the 8 software winter c'è quello sono c'è consiste to praticamente there the degree that is familiar with effettuate absolutely complete as it is more for that pure for me but in general we can say that we enter officially in spring yes we can probably between before the fact since we see present the perfect made degrees temperature generally think that not to sure if non later but cioè this is at for me beyond this year soon in previous years and also in the future for the future soon future years and next years for me in this period always good still about I think I can say something is really good. This is for me. It is